When I plan for this event, it's caused by the improvement of the communication with the European businessmen, especially at our business partner in Europe. Actually, I have been working in the U.S. market more than 6 years. So for the past 6 years, we have had a lot of the experience, such like directly communicate with our end user. So there's a lot of our marketing activity and take care about our customers, after sales activity. Through this kind of the activity, we have had a lot of the know-how and what kind of the request that you want, especially in the end user level. So that's why I organized this one, to share the our previous experience together with our business partner in Europe. That is the main purpose of organization of this event. So through this kind of event, I have recognized another my job, my mission, and my responsibility, that we have to find out the further method or further ways to improve communication with our business partner as well as our current user. That's why I'm thinking over another possibility to enhance or strengthen the direct communication with our end user. As far as I know that, I'm always dreaming about the longevity about the business and sustainability of our business. So I could find out the main direction regarding this subject, that we have to improve the communication further and further. So this is my mission that I have to follow up after this event. Another, let's say, the fruitful or productive result of this event is what our business partner, each of the our business partners needed as from our side as the manufacturer position. So this is one of the very productive result through this event. So what I have to do from now on is that I have to follow up, and I have to taking action in order to cooperate together with our business partner further. So right now, I'm thinking over how I can improve the education scheme and communication scheme and technical support scheme. So this is a major topic that I have to sort out together with our business partner. So what we are dreaming together with our business partner is that, first of all, we can just trying to make a successful story in Europe. Of course, that we came from one of the Asia country, Korea, as a manufacturer position. So that geographically or culture-wise, we are a little bit far away from the European Western culture. But even though we believe that what we are looking for together with our business partner is the same, because I believe that we have been working together more than dozens of years for our mutual profit and benefit together. Let's say the reminding the previous dozens of years. Actually, we are one of the beginners in the dentistry, but right now, I believe that all of us, we agreed that we are one of the major players in European country. I'm not talking about the number of units that is installed in the European market. What I mean is that in terms of customer satisfaction-wise, as the position of the manufacturer and supplier, we have two major customers. First one is our business partner. Second one is our end user, who has owned our devices, and which has to be contribute to the patient care. So this is one of our whole global, the mission that we have to keep on, chasing and then keep on accomplishing. This is what I believe that. So our mission from now on has to be much more clear through this meeting, that also on both sides, what we need, what we want each other. From now on, I believe that one of the good stuff is we can dream the same mission, same, the idea together. So I believe that we could make it something different, differentiated, successful story from now on. So I'm really excited, and also as well, I believe that we could make it together with our business partner. So also once again, it was my honor and privilege to have this kind of event together with our European business partner. Also as well, this is one of the main momentum that how we can keep on growing up and together. So once again, I can tell you to my business partner that what we're going to do from now on has to be based on honesty, sincerity, and transparency.
Orange Dental is very happy that for the first time such an event took place and that we could be part of it. We appreciate and thank the Korean Vatech team and especially also the American Vatech team for their great effort they did here and the great job and sharing all their experience and all their knowledge with us. And also we appreciate that we could exchange all this with our European partners who have very similar problems, and we are looking forward to have this again. So maybe every year or every other year. For the next meeting, I would be very happy to see more practical, a bit more in depth. It was, as a beginning, was a very good beginning to start with many overall information and sharing of some things, but to go deeper into product advantages, into competitive comparisons, into what really we need to improve our competitive edge in the highly competitive market. As in Germany, we have around 12 other brands competing for the dental money. And we would also think it would be a good idea to share or to maybe make a website or a platform where all the companies can put their stuff or should put all their marketing stuff they are creating, and that we can all share that at the very moment when it takes place. So we can, as we have similar products, the same products all over, and can then help from each other. Well, Vatech has always been the most innovative company in the X-ray field since we know it, and sometimes maybe even too many new products come around, and therefore the meeting also is good to help to do all these introductory work, which is very, very hard work to do, and that we can share that burden over many shoulders, so we can really be fast with these wonderful products.
We participated in a great event, first time in a pan-European option. We met a lot of great people here, and we acquired really huge number of information, absolutely useful. This would help us to become really more efficient and to share with our customers new values we met during this meeting. I hope to participate in such kind of event next year maybe. It would be great to go more to practical information as we discuss with our European friends out of the meeting room. We're looking for competitive information, comparison, cross-comparison, as well as some cases we could share with our customers and potential customers. Vatech is really a great advantage of our business. Currently, we are looking forward impatiently brand new solutions, excellent quality, and future development of the products is going to be, in my private opinion, absolutely amazing.
So our company is dealing with Vatech products for 11 years now. It was in 2007 when I met first time with Brian and Esther. They came to Hungary and chose us to represent Vatech in the Hungarian market, and we were really happy. So we just built a brand together, and it was really nice from the beginning. And how the event was here, I think it was really necessary to have this kind of event. It's really good to see mainly the guys from the US market, how they are doing the business there, because the big business nowadays is going there. So I think it was really useful. We can never know who can help us. We have to really join together, I think, maybe every year or every second year, and to share the information with each other. Maybe just an Unify helps. Some kind of new algorithm can help. Anyone can help. There are no keywords, for example, in the sales, but maybe we can help each other how to make the marketing, some common marketing to have. So I think it was really useful. For the next time, if it's possible, maybe next year another place, maybe it would be nice to meet you every year, maybe in every different countries. It would be really nice. Even you are more than welcome to Hungary. But I would like to suggest, if it's possible, to go deeply in the topics. I mean, mainly in marketing issues also, we have to compare the machines, really. There are many manufacturers on the market. It's even more and more, as I see, because everybody wants to go in this kind of business, because X-ray business is now, it's really going. So I think we really have to see what are the real differences. What I know, in image quality, it is okay, but there is not just image quality. We have to build up the marketing, build up the brand together, and I think it has to be almost the same in every country. Vatech for me is not just a company. I like to be the part of this Vatech family, because I really feel here it's really like a family. We just help each other. We are really in contact, in emotional contact, not just in business contact. And I really like that. And as I see, Vatech is really an innovative company. They had the first 3-in-1 system, for example. They had the largest FOV. Then we had the first multifocus on the market. And now here's Insight with the 41 layers, where we can go together in the future. I think we will have no enemies, we will have enemies, I'm sure, enemies we will have, but no one can beat us, I think, in the future.
Every kind of event like that is really great, because we can meet the people which we are working for, which we are supporting for, so every time it's great to talk to all the technicians and dealers and listen their needs and their requests, and then we can improve our work, and we can share, travels from different part of Europe. So yeah, it was, every time it is valuable. What I would like to suggest for next time is that maybe if the technicians, because I'm the CS manager, so if the technicians can have a little bit more practical things, like they can touch something, definitely. They are, after event, they are every time asking how is this, what to do with that. So if there will be like more chance for them to touch things they cannot touch during their daily work, they will appreciate, definitely. That's suggestions for next meeting. And what about Vatech? Vatech is already, let's say, more than half of my professional career, so it's quite big part of my professional world. So I really feel like, let's say, home with the family, because I know many people already. Even we are a worldwide company. I can say that from Vatech company, I know almost all of them, and many people know me. So in this moment, I cannot just imagine a situation that I will not be a part of this big group.
I really appreciate this event, because it was something what brought us big values from another point of view. We actually have seen possible structure which we would like to not really copy, but we can at least implement some very important things which are still, I think, missing here, and it was done very professional way. I see a lot of other possibilities suddenly. My eyes are absolutely open, and I'm just looking forward to do other steps. Okay, so for next meeting, I hope this event will happen to be on a regular base, because I don't see the value of it only to share experience and information, but people are gathering together. We are making more like team thinking, which is much more powerful than if we are speaking about individuals. So it is kind of team building as well, and I like to meet not only our distributors but also some people from other regions, other countries, other continents, because we are, again, by this way we are opening our eyes here, seeing also other possibilities which are possible to implement here, and that's the best what we can expect from this kind of event. For me, Vatech is a kind of combination passion, which is in the same time giving me opportunities, challenges, and also, of course, it is my job. So I like to keep going on, and I wish that Vatech will still keeping me in the status that I will be more and more passionate to work with Vatech and to distribute, if possible, more and more values, not only equipment and technologies, but more and more values to our customers, which means end users and distributors as well. So if we reach situation that our distributors and end users are satisfied as much as possible with us, feeling safety, feeling comfortable, and stop even think about competitors, then the best goal for me, and I think also for people from Vatech. And this is not easy task. It is quite difficult job, but if we reach situation that people will be passionate with us, doing a job not by force but by their own will, and they like it, that's what I wish as well, and I think that Vatech is going this way. People are coming to us not from a reason just to have some possible job or some option, but feeling also that they can work with us based on relationships, strong human values, and that's very powerful.
So the purpose of this event was to share our experiences from America. Having a long history in America, we've had a lot of opportunity for trial and error, and we've been able to isolate best practices. We've made mistakes, learned from those mistakes, created opportunities, capitalized on those opportunities, and as a result, we've grown substantially. And the nice thing about this seminar is that we're able to share those experiences with our European counterparts and hopefully give them direction and give them some ideas on how they can emulate some of the things that made us successful, and in turn they can share with us their best practices that we may be able to take back to America and implement and see if they work for us as well. So overall, I feel the meeting was extremely beneficial for both parties. I think that being able to share ideas, share best practices, bounce back and forth between each other was a great learning experience, a great teaching experience, and an opportunity to figure out where we can improve, where we have improved, and how we can help our counterparts in Europe. I feel that as a team, we become more cohesive. So between the sales, between the CS portion of it, and the combination of the two, which are a symbiotic relationship that both help each other. So in talking in the sales arena, we were talking about CS, and in the CS arena, we were talking about sales. So I think that both sides got to see how they can help each other increase their business and ultimately be more successful in the field. To me, Vatech is a family. Vatech is a company that's growing, that's looking to improve, that's looking to help each other. And what's nice about this company and what's different about this company is that the ego is left at the door. And people come in here looking to learn a new way. There's no closed minds here. Nobody in this company feels, I know it all. Everyone understands that they can learn something from someone else, either it be from another country, another culture, another department. The sales team can learn from the CS team. The CS team can learn from the sales team. The marketing team can learn from the CS and the sales, and CS and sales can learn from marketing as well. What is unique about this company is that everyone here is interconnected and willing to share opportunity, information, knowledge, and best practices on how to expand the brand and the company. And everyone has a common goal.